Welcome back to Beautyistic, your destination for smart beauty buys, no fluff, just facts. Today, we're diving into a premium skincare powerhouse, the Sisley Paris Sisleya Lintegral Anti-Age Firming Concentrated Serum. This 30mm serum promises an intensive firming effect and is designed to target what the brand calls behavioral aging. Now, if you're wondering what that actually means, you're not alone, and we'll get into that. So, what exactly are we dealing with here? This serum is part of Sisley's luxury anti-aging range, aiming to visibly restore firmness, density, and tone to the skin. It's non-comedogenic, which means it won't clog pores, a must for anyone with sensitive or acne-prone skin. The standout ingredients include Sweet Marjoram Extract, said to awaken the skin's firming potential, and Phyto-Complex Pro-Firm 7, a proprietary blend of 7 plant-based extracts meant to boost skin retentioning. Using this serum is straightforward. Apply it to clean, dry skin on your face and neck, morning and night. It absorbs quickly without a greasy finish, which makes it easy to layer under moisturizers or makeup. Now let's talk real-world experience. In testing, I used this for a full 4 weeks, twice a day, on combination skin that's starting to show mild loss of firmness around the jawline and cheeks. The texture is elegant, lightweight, silky, and with that signature Sisley fragrance, which is subtle but definitely present. It spreads smoothly and dries down fast, leaving a soft, velvety finish. After about 2 weeks, there was noticeable improvement in overall skin tone. Not dramatic lifting, but definitely a fresher, more resilient feel. The area around the mouth and jawline felt a bit more supported, and fine lines appeared slightly smoothed. However, if you're expecting facelift-like firmness, you might find it a bit more subtle than you hoped. The results are more about enhancement than transformation. Now, if this review is useful to you, hit that like button, subscribe to Beautyistic, and tap that bell icon, so others navigating the luxury skincare space can find this too. On to the pros and cons. Pros: luxurious texture and fast absorption, non-comedogenic, suitable for most skin types. Skin looks more toned and refreshed with regular use. High-quality botanical ingredients. Works well under makeup. Cons: extremely high price point. Results, while real, are gradual and not dramatic. Fragrance may not suit fragrance-sensitive users. From a value perspective, this is an investment serum, no question. You're paying for the formulation, the research, the brand legacy, and that luxury experience. If you're deeply invested in high-end skincare and have mature or aging skin, it may be worth it. But for the price, some users might expect more visible lifting or faster results. Compared to others in this luxury category, think La Mer's Lifting Contour Serum or Estee Lauder's Perfectionist Pro, Sisley holds its ground on ingredient quality and elegance, but it doesn't deliver a radically different outcome. Where it stands out is in texture and how effortlessly it plays with other skincare or makeup. No pilling, no heaviness. As for build quality, it's classic Sisley, sleek, heavy glass bottle with a precision pump. It feels high-end and delivers product cleanly without waste. No issues with the dispenser or packaging integrity over time. There's been no direct interaction with Sisley's customer support during testing, but the brand has a long-standing reputation for quality service, especially through luxury retailers and counters. That said, some may find their information a bit limited online compared to more tech-forward skincare brands. If the Sisleya serum is outside your budget, alternatives like Shiseido's Vital Perfection Lift-Define Radiance Serum or even Lancome's Renergy HCF Triple Serum provide firming benefits at a more moderate price point, albeit with a different texture and experience. Bottom line, this is a serum that fits firmly, no pun intended, into the luxury skincare category. It's not a miracle worker, but it does what it claims, supports firmer-looking skin with a refined, indulgent user experience. If you're someone who appreciates the ritual, texture, and elegance of high-end skincare, and you're not looking for instant dramatic results, this could be your match. But if you want clinical strength lifting or faster results on a tighter budget, you may want to look elsewhere. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You'll find the link to check out this product down in the comments. Have you tried this serum, or are you thinking about it? Drop your thoughts and questions below. I always love hearing what you think. Until next time, keep your skincare smart, your shelves organized, and your beauty, beautyistic.